Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this session we are going to create virtual machines using Azure PowerShell and Azure C command line interface. Let's start our session. So open Azure portal, click on Cloud Shell. Okay, once you click on Cloud Shell, so we are using Azure CLI for quickly creating virtual machines. So you can use this command. So here we are creating a VM with resource group, test resource group, and the VM name is demo VM1, and image we are creating is Windows 2019 data center, and administration of username is demo user and password is this one. Okay, let's enter. So test group is could not found, so it is saying okay, let's create a resource group first. So test resource group is created, so let's try with that. So we are creating VM in resource group is test, and the demo VM name is demo VM1. Image we are using is Windows, and the username is demo user and password is that 123. So now it's running the script. So it will take some time to create using Azure PowerShell. So it depends upon your network connectivity also. So you can see the status is running. So once it is created successfully, so we can find in our no, in our VM zone. Okay, it's now created. So IP address is this one, and status is VM is running. So let's go to the VM virtual machine session. See demo VM is running, and you can see the overview. Okay, so let's try. So it won't access because we haven't installed the IAS. Okay, now let's try with PowerShell command. Okay, we'll take the PowerShell command here and try it out. See here PowerShell command is a new VM resource groups test and demo VM2 central US, and then data and image is data center, but we haven't provided admin username and then admin user password. So let's check whether it will ask or not. Yeah, it is asking demo user password also is asking. Let's type here. No size of VM has been provided. It will default size is D2. It's taking. Okay. So now it's the status. You can see that creating Azure resource. Okay. So demo VM2 will be created. So go to the VM2. No, it haven't come. So let's wait for a few minutes. Once it is done, it will show the status as successfully created virtual machine. So in this session we are looking creating virtual machines using Azure PowerShell and Azure CLI. So you can create with your Terraform templates, YAML files, or else ARM templates also you can use. So in further classes we are going to see those things also. So now you can see that everything is created successfully. So here you can see research group is test and demo VM2, and then the provision state is succeeded. So let's refresh this. So you can see this demo VM2 is running successfully. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can drop a mail to me which displays on the screen, or else you can comment in the comment box. Please like and share with your friends. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.